Hi guys, welcome to my presentation and thanks for being here today. I hope you're all doing great. Before we get started, let me ask you something. How many of you are actually excited about today topic beyond or are some of you just here because you had to be? No worries, I'll do my best. This session interesting, again, engaging, and hopeful for your time. Today we're going to talk about topic that is both exciting and useful. So stay with me until the end. And if you have any question, feel free to ask during the discussion session. Alright, if everyone is ready, let's dive right in. Okay, chapter 1. Next slowly set ticks over the city of Lahore. Can still rain washed the streets, while the glow of streetlights reflected across the which even behind the windows of an old family house. Arina stood silently, staring into the darkness. She had spent years trying to buy her past. Yet every time it's rained, the memories thrown as vividly as ever. The sound of the front door opening broke the silence. Are you thinking about it again? Her mother asked softly. Arena for kids a friend smell. There are some ones that never truly had truly hit. Her mother well kids over and gently holds her hand. You can keep living in the past. Your future is still waiting for you. Arena nods, but deep inside she now it once simple. 5 years earlier, a single dedication had changed her life forever. Since then, she has keeps has distance from everyone who had only been part of her world. It was easier to hide than to explain the truth. Okay, next. Across the city, Rayhan uh, had just returned home after spending over years working abroad. His return was planned as a celebration. Instead, it's come after receiving an urgent message that his father had become seriously ill. The family mentioned looked excited as he remembered it in the same garden, the same entrance, the same marble style. Yet something feel completely different. The one that's on the mill the horse who had disappeared replaced by silent and Unishi expression. His older brother greatly him at the door. Father is waiting for you in his office. Rayhan, Rayhan not dead, and walked down the familiar alleyway. When, when he entered the room, he found his father sitting behind an old wooden desk holding a worn bronze file. His father, face locked, tired, and his voice uh, had lost in former strength. I need you to take over the family business. Business. Rayhan looked surprised. You know, I have pulled different leave overseas. I know, his father replies. Then Wimi, his father, closed his eyes for a moment before answering, because you're the only one who can switch the mystics or family mat. The monks can strong the room. What mistakes? His father remained silent. Instead, he slowly placed the brown fill on the desk. Everything you need to know in it said. Rayhan reasoned for it, but stop it when his father spoke again. Before you read it, there's some you must follow. Okay, next. His father looked directly into his son's eyes. Irina. The name immediately caught Rayhan's attention. He had heard it in years. Uh, it was a name but some here in these cheat dots memories. Yet he calls remember why its style sound so familiar. That some evening later, a river and arena house, there was no sender. No return address, only a single sentence with neatly across the page. The past cannot remain hidden forever. The truth is finally comes here and begins to tremble. Very few people know the secret she had. Protects Island this year. If someone had sent this letter, it meant some hot discovery the truth for the first time in here. Fear returned to her head. Manually, Ryan finally opening the all legs. Inside, we faded photographer, legal documents, newspaper, ebbing and shaken handwritten letter. One photographer immediately called his attention. It saw it showed two smiling families starting together during what brought to be a celebration many years ago. As student, the priester more uh, careful. His eye stops on your killing standing quietly in the cover. So look at familiar. So that's arena. Hey, Fronets, why would his family have kept this photographer hidden? As his constants riding toward the documents, more question apart than answer. The two familiars had on scared a close relationship. Then something happened, something serious, now to spread them forever. Outside the rain grew heavier. Edina stood near her bedroom window, clothing the mysterious letter thickly again. Here, she could feel that the peaceful life she had spoiled was about to fall apart. Discreet, she had spent years protection will not stay birds mouth corner, only unaware of it. Some was already making their way uh, toward her home. Some was a rivalward chance put of the livers forever. Wait, okay, next chapter 2. Uh, Next, chapter 2. The following morning, the rain had stopped, but thick clouds still covered the sky. Erina left her house earlier than usual, hoping the fresh air will clear uh, her mind. Yet the mysterious letter remained in her own handbag. Sorry, handbag, waxing heavily on her talks. She could ignore its message. Some skinny her secret. Some wants her to remember the past she had worked so hard uh, to forget. Across town, Rayhan sat alone in this father office, careful, writing every document inside the old brown file. Expects revealed another piece of a story he had never been told. Years ago, the Rahman and Karim families had been more than business partner. They had been like family. The collaboration together trusted on another and stream of building a future shed by shed. Then everything changed an incident, a broken a promise and an accusation. The destroyed puts families. Rayhan closed the file. There has to be more to this story. The He whispered. Just then, this older brother entered the room. Father asked if your mother, your decision. I'm not talking over the company until I know the wall struck his brother secrets. Some steams, the throats cause more pain than silence. Rayhan thought. Silence has already caused Knoxpan Mansfield ran a revive at the small community library where she worked. Boxhand was been here escaped, but when the selfish leaf feel comes untortured by all memories. Okay, next. Here, coworkers smell. You look tired. I didn't sleep much. Everything okay. Irina hesitated before forging a smile, just thinking before another word could be spoken. The library door opened. A tall man stepped inside. His eyes wandered around the room until the mid hears. For this moment, neither of them spoke. Ryan, Irina, neither recalled. recognize the author immediately, yet something feels strangely familiar. Raihan approaches the form that I'm looking for some. Can I help you? Irina asked politely. I'm searching for a woman named Irina. Her head skips a beat. I'm Irina. Ryan looked surprised. I think we've met before. Irina shook her head. I don't think so, but that's inside. A forgotten memory straight. A little boy. Every day, calibration, eye photography, she clouds. Remember clearly, Rayhan reads into his jugs and careful remove this all photographer from the file. I found the yesterday. Irina stared at the faded picture. Her face slowly lost its color. I remember this. She whispered the words almost the hello. And this was text before everything fell apart. Rayhan looked at her with confusion. What happened? Irina folded the photographer and handed it back. I can answer that. Why not? Become if feel you the truth. Your life will never be the same. Okay, wait. Okay, next, with to another what she turned away and walked toward the back of the library. Rayhan remained standing in silence. He can now see with hiding sums offset on now figure watching the library inside parked black car. The strange pickets of upon the finally meet a voice answer and the author and good shall we stop then? No, let them discover the thrones the call ended. The black car slowly drove away. Inside the library, Irina leaned against a bookshelf trying to climb a calm. Here breathing she had hoped the password stay board forever. No, it had found its way back, and this time there would be no escaping it far away. Ryan looked on say more at the old photographer on the bags hidden on the bags hidden year of fighting in here noted something he had never seen before. I hence within sensed it if this picture is never found, the truth must finally be revealed. Ryan H. Evidence some had left a message uh, decades ago, and he was determined to uncover what it meant to be continue in chapter 3. Okay, wait. In this is coffee. Wait. Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Okay, next. Okay, next chapter 3. Ah. Okay, next. The mysterious, chapter 3, the mysterious sentence written on the back of the old photographer refers to leave Rayhan's mean. If this picture is ever found, the truth must finally be revealed. He read it over and over again, wondering what who had waiting toward and why they had been hidden for so many years. There was only one person who makes now the answer. His father. That evening, Rayhan returns to the family mansion. The house was unusually quiet. He walked quickly to his father's room, only to find the family doctor leaving. How is he? Rayhan asked. The doctor said he's stable for now, but he not plenty of risks don't upset him. Rayhan nodded before entering the room. His father looked exhausted, but when he saw the photographer in Rayhan's head, his expression immediately changed. It was inside the feel you know me. You gave me. His father closed his eyes. I hope you will never see it. Rayhan placed the photographer on the bedside table. The ID person, the ID, ID server, the thoughts for a long moment, neither of them spoke. Finally, his father broke the silence. 20 years ago, our family and Arena family trusted its author completes. We share everything, our business, our dream, and even our future. What happiness? His father voice trembled. There was a timely affair. Rayhan frowned. Affair its doctorate. The all tastily factory put families honor together. The fair had claimed a face, runs the business, and starts years of friendship. Everyone plans Arena further, but according to Ryan, further the investigation had never uncovered the full truth. There were stalks, people close low hit, uh, admitted Ryan Strat and him. Okay, next. Whoa, before his father called and swear he was overcome by a violence called the doctor's back into the room. You need to leave the door inside. Uh, reluctation Rayhan steps outside more deterrent than ever to uncover the missing piece. At the same time, Arena sat alone in her small apartment, staring at an old wooden box she had kept hidden in the backs of her clothes for years. As she slowly opens it inside where children's photographer later did with a faded blue ribbon, and a silver necklace with a broken chain. The pigs catch up one of the litter. Is it was written by her father only weeks before her disappearance. Never judge people by what the world say about them. One day the truth will find you. A tear rolled down her. Uh, she uh, she had spent years believing her father was responsible for destroying two families. But what if he had been in scum all along? Uh, I know at the door, interesting here talks. When she opened it, no one was there, only smell and Phillips rested on the bar, her hands tremulous as she picks it up. Inside was a single guy, no expression, uh, no name, just a short note. Looks centrally free station. Next, Arena. Heartbeat quickened. Who had seen it, and what was waiting inside that locker? The following morning, Rayhan received a phone call from unknown number. I know you're sure for the truth. The voice was calm and unfamiliar. Who is this? Rayhan demanded. If you really want answer, go to the old text. Please. Fact story, two next come alone. The call ended uh, before he called as another question. Question. Most people believe it hear nothing but ashway and memories, but some clearly believe other wish that nights have cloud gathered on again over the city. Rayhan arrived at the abandoned factory just before midnight. The race gates creaked open in the wind. Inside broken machinery and collapsed wall stood as silent remember of the disaster that had changed countless lives. As he walked deeper into building, he noticed a fan a leaf comes from the second floor. Some else was there slowly. Here, climb bed, the all metal station crash. The sound of footsteps uh, echoes toward the darkness. Then a voice called out behind him. Rayhan. He turned around, studying only a few feet away was Arena. She looked just as shocked to see him. "You gave a message to Rayhan?" asked Arena. Before either of them could say another word, the hear another sound, a loud metallicity crash echoes from some here inside the factory. The legs suddenly went out, darkness swallowing the entire building, and somewhere in the shadow, someone was watching them. Okay, thank you. In this coffee.